Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear audience. As you know, oxygen is not just the air to breathe. It helps human and animals survive, fires to burn, and even protect Earth with the ozone layer. Without it, life as we know it cannot exist. Imagine a world where oxygen suddenly disappears, only for 5 seconds. What would happen to life on Earth? Stay with me because this is shocking. The first thing that would happen, people and animals would lose consciousness within seconds. Fires everywhere would go out, sky would turn dark because oxygen helps scatter sunlight. No oxygen means no survival. Humans and animals would only last a few minutes. Breathing stops, organ fails, and life ends almost instantly. People will die with suffocation. Ozone layer is made up of oxygen. So ozone layer would disappear, exposing Earth to dangerous ultraviolet rays. The Earth's surface would become unstable, with cracks forming everywhere. Ozone layer will deplete and ultraviolet rays hit the Earth and it will burn the skin and cause skin cancer. Even water would be affected. As we know, water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. So, without oxygen, water molecules start to break apart and oceans would slowly vanish. Earth will be without water, cracked earth, dry earth, and there will be no atmosphere as oxygen is present in the atmosphere and it scatters the sunlight so we can see the light. So, without oxygen, there would be no atmosphere. Plants also need oxygen for respiration. Without it, all plants would die, leaving Earth barren and lifeless. And flora and fauna will disappear. Life will end. Without oxygen, the brain and nerves would stop working properly. All senses of seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching would quickly fade and stop, and all the senses of human will stop working and we will lose sense of hearing, sense of touch, sense of smell. In simple wording, all senses would die. Building blocks of concrete and rocks would become weaker since oxygen helps bind minerals together. Building would cracks, weaken and slowly collapse. Structure of concrete will fall down suddenly. So, next time when you take a deep breath, remember this invisible gas is what makes life possible. So, be thankful to Allah for this precious gift of oxygen. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.